In this video, I'll guide you through how to activate your DocuSign account. By the end, you'll be fully set up and ready to start using DocuSign without any confusion. We'll go step by step, keeping things simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. First, you'll want to open the activation email from DocuSign. This email is usually sent right after your account is created or when someone invites you to sign up. Head over to your inbox and look for a message from DocuSign with an invitation or activation link in the subject line. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder, as automated emails sometimes end up there by mistake. Once you find the email, open it and look for the button or link that says something like Activate or Get Started. Click that link to begin the activation process in your browser. After you open the activation link, DocuSign will ask you to enter a verification code. This code is there to confirm that you really are the person who received the email. The code is usually displayed directly in the email you just opened, so keep that email handy. Carefully type the code into the field on the DocuSign page. It's important to enter it exactly as it appears, since codes are often time-sensitive and case-specific. If the code has expired or doesn't work, look for an option to resend a new code and repeat the process with the updated one. Once the email verification code has been accepted, you'll move on to verifying your account through your phone number. This adds an extra layer of security to help keep your documents and personal information safe. On the screen, you'll be asked to confirm your phone number. Make sure it's a number you currently have access to because DocuSign will send a text message with another code. When the code arrives on your phone, switch back to the DocuSign page and enter it into the verification field. If you don't receive a message after a short time, you can usually choose to resend the code or, in some cases, request a voice call instead. After your phone number is verified, the next step is to set up a password for your account. Choose a strong, unique password that you don't use for other websites. A good approach is to include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess like simple sequences. Type your new password carefully and then confirm it in the second field if prompted. This password will be what you use to sign in to DocuSign going forward, so make sure you remember it or store it securely in a password manager. With your password in place, the final step is to set up your account details. Here, DocuSign may ask for information such as your name, possibly your organization, and any basic preferences related to your account. Enter your name exactly as you want it to appear on documents, since this is often what others will see when you sign or send items. Take a moment to review what you've entered to make sure everything is accurate. When you're satisfied, save or confirm your details. Once that's done, your DocuSign account is activated. You can now sign in using your email and the password you just created, and you're ready to start sending, receiving, and signing documents securely.